Your brain is a mysterious machine capable of wonders, illusions, and strange tricks you don't even realize are happening. Today, we are diving deep into the most mind bending psychological facts that reveal how your brain really works. These facts will make you question your choices, your memories, and even your reality. Ready? Let's unlock the secrets of the human mind. Fact 1. Your brain can trick you into seeing things that aren't there. Our eyes don't always show us the truth. What you see is your brain's interpretation of reality, not reality itself. Optical illusions happen because your brain fills in gaps, predicts patterns, and sometimes gets it wrong. So, next time you are certain about what you saw, remember your brain might just be fooling you. Fact 2. Time feels faster as you age. Remember how endless summers felt as a kid? Now years fly by you in a blink. That's not imagination, it's psychology. When you are young, everything is new, so your brain forms rich memories, making time feel longer. As you age, fewer new experiences mean fewer memories, and time feels faster. The trick to slowing it down, keep learning and trying new things. Fact 3. You remember emotion, not accuracy. Our memories aren't perfect recordings, they are emotional stories we rewrite each time we recall them. When you remember an event, your brain replaces the feeling, not the exact details. That's why eyewitness accounts can differ widely because memory is colored by emotion, not precision. Fact 4. Your heart can sense emotions before your brain. It sounds impossible, but studies show your heart responds to emotional stimuli a fraction of a second before your brain does. It's like your body feels something's coming before you consciously know it. Science still can't fully explain how, but it proves emotion and intuition are far more powerful than logic alone. Fact 5. Your brain can tell the difference between real and imagined. When you vividly imagine something like tasting a lemon or falling from a height, your brain activates the same areas as if it were real. That's why visualization works so well for athletes and creators. Your brain really believes what you feel, not what you see. Fact 6. People judge you in the first 7 seconds. It takes just 7 seconds for someone to form a lasting impression of you, often subconsciously. Your tone, posture, and even your micro expressions shape that perception before you say a word. That's the power and danger of first impressions. Fact 7. Your subconscious controls 95% of your decisions. You think you are in control, but your subconscious mind runs the show. Up to 95% of your thoughts and actions come from patterns, habits, and emotional memories stored deep within. It's like an invisible autopilot guiding your life. The key to change? Make your subconscious conscious through awareness and repetition. Fact 8. The words you use shape your reality. Language doesn't just describe your thoughts, it creates them. If you constantly say, I can't, your brain wires itself to believe it. But when you say, I am learning, it literally reshapes your mental patterns. Words are programming, and your mind is the most powerful computer on earth. Fact 9. Your brain never truly sleeps. Even when you are asleep, your brain is busy. It sorts memories, solves problems, and even practices skills you learned during the day. That's why you sometimes wake up with sudden clarity or answers to problems your subconscious was working overtime while you rested. Your mind isn't just powerful, it's mysterious, unpredictable, and endlessly creative. Every thought, every feeling, every illusion tells us one thing: reality begins in the mind. So, what if changing your thoughts could change your world? Because maybe it already does. Which psychological fact blew your mind the most? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more science and mind expanding facts every week.